Ooh! Look at that! That's so big.
Yeah, it was.
Introduce my dad, guys. That was big. Ooh, there's one over there on that Twinkie. Blue top hat boy over here. Watching the fireworks.
10 minutes.
Happy 4th of July. I love you so much, guys. I'm glad we can watch 4th of July over there. Over here. I'm so glad we could do 4th of July. Hope all of you love watching my vids or seeing my post, anything. 200 people who like my content. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for 200 subs. I mean, we already got them, but we already got 200, but 200? I never got something big before. I might not be good at editing, but I'm trying to make people happy. Happy 4th of July.
9 minutes.